Hello everyone, let us do question number 4 of exercise 6.1. बच्चे, here in this question angle x, y, z, w are given. It is also given to us that sum of x plus y is equal to sum of w plus z, and we are to prove that AOB is a straight line. Though it's visible from the diagram, but we are to prove it that it's a straight line. Okay, and bache, we all know that linear pair of angles are formed only on the straight line. Means that sum of, if two angles is equal to 180 degree, then we will say that they are forming a pair of linear angles, and linear means that degrees 1 means a straight line. Okay, we are to prove this by using pair of linear angles. Okay, we all know that this complete angle is of 360 degree, so y plus x plus w plus z equals to 360 degree. It's a complete angle. Okay, next one is bache, x plus y is equal to w plus z. So in place of w plus z I can write x plus y, then it will be also equal to 360. X plus x will be 2x, y plus y will be 2y equal to 360. 2 common, x plus y is equal to 360 degree. 2 when divided by 360 will result as 180. Now we have proved that x plus y is equals to 180 degree, and both these angles are making a pair of linear angles. So we will write x comma y are making a pair of linear angles, hence AOB is a straight line. Okay bachcha, let us do our fifth question. In the fifth question we are given P O Q, a straight line, and over OR a ray is drawn which is perpendicular to it. Another ray OS is given to us. Okay bachcha, what we are to prove? We are to prove angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus POS. Okay, got it? Minus POS. So beta, let us assume this be x and this be y. Okay, so it will be easy for us to do. Now these three lie on a straight line, so the sum of these three angles will be equals to 180 degree, angle sum property. Okay, from here we have calculated y plus x will be equals to 180 minus 90, that is 90. One thing. Second bache, if you see angle QOS will be equals to x plus 90, है ना? So I can write angle QOS will be equals to x plus 90. X here is on addition, it will go on subtraction from QOS. Got it? Now see, these both are equals to 90 degree. They are equal to 90 degree, hence they all will be equal. So y plus x will be equals to angle QOS minus x. Take this x to the left hand side and take this y to the right hand side. Okay, this x I am taking on the left hand side, this x is as it is, this QOS is as it is, this plus y I am taking to the right hand side, and it will become minus. It will become 2x equals to angle QOS minus y. X will be equals to angle half of angle QOS minus y, and you can see x is our ROS. Okay, QoS is as it is, y is our angle POS that we have to prove. Okay, so angle ROS is equals to half angle QoS minus y, that is angle POS. It is proved. Okay बच्चे, let us do question number 6. See बच्चे, question number 6. In question 6, it is given that angle XYZ equals to 64 degree. Okay, XY is produced to point P. So I am making XYZ equals to 64 degree. Now XY is produced to point P. Okay, from point Y a bisector YQ is drawn of angle PYZ. So इस पॉइंट से यहाँ एक बाइसेक्टर YQ ड्रा कर दिया गया. बाइसेक्टर किसका? PYZ का. मैंने ये PYZ को किस में, दो हिस्सों में तोड़ेगा, दो बराबर हिस्सों में तोड़ेगा. तो लेट अस अज्यूम दैट दीज टू आर एक्स इक्वल हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि ये बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. अब ये देखो कि ये तीनों एंगल्स का सम कितना होगा बच्चे? 180 डिग्री, बिकॉज दे लाई ऑन द स्ट्रेट लाइन x एंड 64. सो 2x प्लस 64 इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. यहाँ से 2x इक्वल्स टू 64 माइनस किया 116 और x की वैल्यू अपने पास आ गई 58. x कितना आ गया बच्चे? 58. ठीक है, तो एक तो मुझे उसने कहा था कि एंगल मुझे फाइंड करना है XYQ. XYQ ये वाला एंगल, तो ये किसके बराबर होगा? 64 प्लस एक्स. 64 प्लस एक्स की वैल्यू कितनी होगी बच्चे? 58. सो ये बन गया अपने पास 122 डिग्री. ओके, और सेकंड पार्ट में मुझे उसने कहा था कि रिफ्लेक्स ऑफ एंगल QYP. रिफ्लेक्स का मतलब 360 में से एंगल QYP माइनस कर दें. QYP 360 में से x माइनस कर दें. 360 में से x की वैल्यू अपने पास कितनी आई थी बच्चे? 58 माइनस कर दो, 302 डिग्री. क्लियर है? इसी के साथ हमारी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट होती है. थैंक यू.